Hello everyone. Welcome to Fluent with Looki. My name is Looki, and today I will help you learn English fast. This video is for absolute beginners. If you are new to English, do not worry. I will use easy words. I will speak slowly, and I will explain step by step. So, let's begin. First, you must believe in yourself. Many beginners feel afraid. They think English is too hard. But I want to tell you, you can do it. Every person can learn English. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to practice every day. Think like this. A baby learns to speak by listening. The baby makes mistakes, but slowly the baby learns. You will do the same. So, please remember, do not fear mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. When you start English, you do not need big grammar books. You need words. Start with common words. Hello. Thank you. Sorry. Yes. No. Please. Also, learn daily words. Water. Food. Friend. Family. Home. School. Work. If you know 500 simple words, you can understand many things. So, focus on words first. How to learn words fast? Write words in a notebook. Say them out loud. Use them in small sentences. For example, I drink water. My friend is happy. This is my home. Small steps are powerful. English is not just reading. English is speaking. Many beginners say, I understand, but I cannot speak. Why? Because they do not practice speaking. So how can you practice speaking? Talk to yourself. Yes, talk alone in English. For example, I am cooking rice. I am walking to school. The sun is bright. Practice with a mirror. Look at yourself. Speak simple sentences. This will give you confidence. Speak with a friend. If your friend also wants to learn, practice together. Ask each other, how are you? What are you doing? Do you like tea? Speaking every day is the fastest way to improve. Listening is very important. When you listen, your brain learns naturally. What can you listen to? Easy English videos. Songs with simple words. English stories for kids. This channel, Fluent with Looki. When you listen, do not try to understand every word. Just relax. Enjoy the sound of English. Slowly, you will understand more and more. Many schools teach grammar first, but for beginners, grammar can feel boring. You do not need big grammar rules now. You need useful sentences. Examples. What is your name? My name is Anna. Where are you from? I am from Bangladesh. I like tea. I don't like coffee. If you learn 100 useful sentences, you can speak many things. Grammar will come later. Remember this, speak first, grammar later. If you want to learn fast, use English in your daily life. Change your phone language to English. Write your shopping list in English. When you cook, say the words in English: rice, salt, water. When you walk, describe things: road, tree, car, sky. The more you use English, the faster you learn. Reading helps a lot, but do not start with big books. Start with easy stories. For example, children's books, short stories, simple English news. When you read, read out loud. This helps your eyes, brain, and mouth together. Reading every day for 10 minutes will make you strong in English. Writing helps you remember. Start with small notes. For example, write 3 sentences about your day. Today, I woke up at 7. I ate bread. I went to school. This is enough. Every day, write a little more. Slowly, your writing will grow. Many people learn a word today and forget tomorrow. That is normal. The secret is repeat and review. See the word many times. Say it many times. Use it many times. For example, if you learn apple, say, I like apples. Write, I eat an apple. Ask, do you want an apple? When you repeat, the word stays in your memory. Learning English is a journey. It takes time. Do not rush. If you study only 1 week and stop, you will forget. But if you study a little every day, you will succeed. Also, have fun. Watch English cartoons. Sing English songs. Play English games. When learning is fun, you learn faster. Here are some extra tips for you. Set small goals. For example, I will learn 10 new words this week. Use your voice recorder. Record yourself speaking. Listen again. You will hear your progress. Join online groups. Many people on the internet also want to learn. You can chat with them. Do not compare with others. Every learner has a different speed. Just focus on your journey. Always smile when you speak. Smiling makes speaking easier and more confident. Now, I will give you a simple daily routine. If you follow this, you will improve fast. Morning, learn 5 new words. Daytime, use these words in sentences. Evening, listen to 10 minutes of English. Night, write 3 sentences about your day. If you do this every day, in 1 month, you will see big progress. My dear friends, English is not just a language. It is a door to jobs, travel, friends, and the world. If you learn English, you can talk to people from many countries. You can study better. You can grow. So, please, do not stop. Keep going. Every day, take 1 small step. Remember, 1 word a day equals 365 words in a year. One sentence a day equals 365 sentences in a year. Small steps make big success. Thank you so much for watching Fluent with Looki. I hope these tips help you learn English fast, even as an absolute beginner. If you liked this lesson, please subscribe to my channel. Also, write in the comments, what new word did you learn today? I am so happy to help you on your journey. See you in the next video. And remember, with practice, you will be fluent. Goodbye, my friends. From Looki,